You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from French in French, meaning received, or also a receipt. How to pronounce it? In French, the pronunciation is as reçu, reçu. The little city, the little symbol on the C means that it's pronounced like an S. Otherwise, without it, it would be reçu, but it's reçu. How to pronounce in French pronunciation, reçu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.